In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to developer mode on ChatGPT. As you can see, I'm in developer mode, and this is one way to authorize access to other third-party platforms or tools on your ChatGPT account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, usually this is how your ChatGPT account looks, and if you wish to switch to developer mode, then go to your account profile here, log in, and then click on your profile icon, then choose settings. Under settings, go to this apps option, and under apps, you should see developer mode here. Now, if you click on apps, go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, we have this option for developer mode. You're told if you enable this will allow you to add unverified connectors that could modify or erase data permanently. Memory will be disabled. So this has an elevated risk. So if you are okay with it, then proceed and toggle on developer mode like this. And as you can see, the developer mode has been enabled. To disable it, just toggle off and it will be disabled. So that's how you can enable ChatGPT developer mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.